Okay guys, I'm back on this F-150, the PAT system, in order to figure out what was going on with the codes. We did the video on that one previous to this one. And now the key came in, the Ford key, the actual Ford key. And if you need that code, you can click on my name underneath this video and for all my other how-to videos, and it'll show you how we determined how to read the theft codes. It's not like an OBD code. You read the flashing of the code on the dash, or the flashing of the theft light on the dash for the code. But yeah, click on my name underneath this video and you'll find that. But I want to do a follow-up now that we have the key. You can just plug the key in and try to start it. It's still not going to start. What you need to do is put the key in, lock the door, unlock the door, lock the door, unlock the door. So if you did try to put your key in, your new key, and it didn't start, and that was a code 13 if you need it, then lock and unlock the door twice, and then boom, she starts right up. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and as always guys, enjoy.